Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video. I wanted to show you guys a Coach bag that I have recently purchased for myself for Valentine's Day, and I want to come and do an unboxing with you guys. Listen, I have always been a fan of Coach, and when I have like a little itch when I want to buy something that's affordable, that's still considered designer, because Coach is a designer, okay, let's not get it twisted. I always go to either Coach, Kurt Geiger, Tory Burch, or something like that. So I purchased this bag off of the Coach outlet. Y'all, if y'all are not into it, get into it. The Coach outlet has some cute stuff for the low, okay? But before I show you my bag, I'm gonna show you guys my Scentbird scent of the month. It's for February. This is Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture. So this is what the bottle looks like. If y'all are not familiar with Scentbird is a subscription website where you can try different fragrances for $14 a month for the membership. And if you're not interested in purchasing, you can either skip 1 up to 3 months. So I think I do mine like every 3 months or so. So it comes in these little plastic little sleeve containers here, and then you get your actual fragrance inside of here. You get the shell. Y'all know the gist of Scentbird, so stop playing. So this is my actual bottle that I will put into my little sprayer, and I'll be able to use it. I'm not gonna keep this scent because I really don't like it. So the notes on this is tuberose, lily, caramel, watermelon, and vanilla. I might end up giving it to my sister, one of the kids, but I don't like her. So anyway, so let's get into why we really here, okay? I was like, do I really want to do an unboxing? Because look at this basic ass packaging my purse came in. It leads with Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. You gave me a box. You gave me a papered stuffed sleeve. But anyway, this is going to be my first impressions. Like I said, this is my first time opening it. So I don't even know what she looks like. And it literally, that is all that's in this package. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. As y'all can see, it's not the typical shape of a normal bag. But I want to get something different. If I'm going to spend a coin, I'm going to spend it on something that I really like, and something that's really different. So let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, okay. Got all the little padding and things on here, which we love. So I really wanted to get a bag that I can do crossbody and have it as like a handbag. And she is going to do the job. Other thing, so I'm 5'8", so usually when I get purses and I look for crossbodies, I look for something that I know that's actually going to fit like a crossbody and not like a damn child. So hopefully, ooh, she's super cute. I'm gonna take that off later. Okay, here we go. So this is my new Coach bag, y'all. And this is the little Coach signature little thing you put on the side. Okay, y'all, I am back. That was a lot of work. So anyway, this is my new Coach bag. Isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh, she is so freaking cute. I definitely wanted something that I could wear as a crossbody. Also, it's like a handbag. I did look at a couple of YouTube videos before I purchased the bag so I can see like the actual sizing of the bag. So it has a gold Coach emblem on the front. Then you zip in it. I have 2 pockets, well, 2 areas where I can put things. Ooh. Is this a strap? No, that's trash. Lord, it's some more damn tissue. Listen, they stuffed this thing, baby. Stuffed like a turkey so it can keep its shape, boo. So I got a pocket here. that I'll be able to put my cards. Oh, I got my Coach official purchase little doohickey in here. So like I said, it's very deep. It's a good size. And then you have another pocket compartment in the back. Same thing, all this damn tissue. I just can't wait to wear her. I'll probably wear her this weekend. Like, for real, for real, for real. It's so cute. And then this, of course, is all the tags and whatnot. And they got a tag. I think I paid, so original price for this was $4.30. I got this off the outlet for $120, I want to say. Adjustable strap. Like I said, I really, really wanted it for this strap because it wasn't a typical leather strap. And she is like perfect on me for a crossbody. So like I said, she is perfect on me as a crossbody. I can adjust it. This is not even at this longest length. Like I said, the strap is adjustable. Ooh, she cute. So she can be a crossbody, or I can take the straps off and just wear her as a handbag. Cute, right? Listen, if you don't do nothing else, please treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Do something for you. You know what I'm saying? This is what I did for me. This made me feel so good. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, luxury items don't have to be Gucci product. Like, I mean, all that is all good, but I'm a single mother with 2 kids in a house full of bills, okay? So this is luxury enough for me, period. I know this video was all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave the link to this actual bag below, and I will definitely come back and show you guys how I plan to style her or whatever. So yes, have a good one. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later. Bye.